Hey, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a GOODYEAR for Ratchet tie downs, and it is 16 feet or 4.9 meter. It says now 3,300 pounds break strength, or 1,497 kilogram, and then 110 pound work load limit, 499 kilogram. And it has a built-in soft connect, double wire J hook, and it also comes with the Dura Web premium webbing, and come with this storage bag. I got this from Costco for about $22. And here is the item number. See the bag real quick. It's pretty quite heavy. So there's your operating instruction. And it says caution when using the soft connect feature. Only use a hook attached to the short end of the webbing as shown here. So yeah, I got the Honda Pilot, and I'll be using this for the luggage, so we could put it on the top of the roof or anything that we need to tie down. Also, the reason I'm purchasing this is my rear fence is kind of warping, so I will try to bend it back into a vertical position because it's like almost falling down because the wood is kind of rotted. So hopefully I could use this a little bit to stabilize it, and use maybe some of the 2x4. And then there is your 800 number. There's like a hologram sticker, so you know it's an authentic or official licensed product. There's your barcode. So let's go ahead and then try to get this thing open. I'm not sure how to open this. It's kind of pretty hard. Yeah, so everything is sealed very tight. So there's like a pre-cut hole right there. 1, 2, strip, 3. But I don't want to stab the knife in there, but I guess I need to, so hopefully I'm not gonna rip anything. Yeah, if I stab the hole, it's gonna stab those straps. So and this one right here is fine. I'm not sure why they make this thing so difficult. There you go. I'm just gonna take one out anyway, so. So that is to release it by putting this. There is your J hook. I hook this up like that. Okay, in case you need to tighten down your motorcycle or your bike. Hopefully it's secure enough. That's what it shows right here for the handlebar. And here's another end of the hook. And you need to take out this clear rubber band. So all you need to do is just insert this in there. Alright, so I'm just going to demonstrate how to strap this strap in correctly. Okay, you need to insert through this when it's closed. Okay, insert this to that bar right there. There's a hole right here. You insert it and you got to pull around it. Make sure it's going to like this. Okay, and then you need to pull this release and then open it up, and then just start cranking until it's tight. You want to loop around at least like a circle. Okay, full circle. And then if you're satisfied with that tightness, and then you could just go ahead and close it. You must close it completely. Okay. And if it doesn't allow you to close, you need to pull this bar in order to go all the way down. Okay. So right now it's pretty snug and tight on both ends. Well, this one it just fixed anyway. The one by the J hook with the shorter strap. And then to release it, you need to pull this release bar and then open 180 degree. so it doesn't allow you to go all the way down, so probably prevent from accident opening, so the strap won't be loose. So if you are sure you need to release the strap, you pull this again and let go all the way down, and then here click. Let me demonstrate one more time. Okay, and then now you can pull this out. Now this bar is loose now. The one is one in the strap. Okay, and then that's it. Okay, so that's pretty tight. And then just hook this on your trailer or your roof rack to tie down. Okay, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.